Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be comparing two giants, that is Copylime and Textero AI. We want to see which AI writing tool wins. Are you struggling to choose the best AI writing assistant? Today we're comparing the two powerful tools that are Copylime and Textero AI. We want to see which one will save you time and boost your content game. Let's find out. The first thing we're going to look at is feature we're going to look at first of all they are best for. Copylime is best for bloggers, marketers, and quick content creators, while Textero AI is best for students, researchers, and long-form writing. And when it comes to tone and style, Copylime is friendly and also persuasive, while Textero AI is best for academic and structured. When it comes to speed, Copylime is faster for short form like ads and social posts, while Textero AI is better for essays and reports. When it comes to their templates, Copylime has about 50 plus templates, including emails and product descriptions. When it comes to Textero AI, it focuses mostly on research and citations. So when you look at the free plus paid plans of when you look at the pricing for Copylime, you have free plan, we also have the paid plan, which is about $29 per month. And when it comes to Textero AI, you have the free tier, that is the free plan, plus affordable subscriptions. And lastly, when we look at the unique perks they have, Copylime has built-in SEO optimization, while Textero AI has auto citations and plagiarism check. So, Copylime is your go-to for snappy marketing copy, while Textero AI is a research powerhouse. What I'm trying to say, if you need catchy ads, choose Copylime. If you're writing a thesis, then Textero will definitely help you out there. So who wins? If you're a business owner or a marketer, Copylime is your best buddy. But if you're a student or researcher, Textero AI is the clear choice. And then again, why don't you just try both? It's as simple as that. So don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool showdown. See you in the next video.